Hey guys, today is a very exciting day because I am finally getting my colorful bands. So I am all set, ready to go to the dentist, and these are the colors of my band right now. They are silver, and I'm not sure which color I'm gonna pick yet, but I mean, I'm gonna see the options which they have and eventually pick one and see how it looks. So let's do it. Hey guys, I am back home. On the way to the dentist, I made up my mind and I wanted to get blue and red bands, but unfortunately we could not get that. I could not get that because the person in charge of keeping the bands wasn't available today. So my doctor said that I could go back tomorrow and get it done, but I really don't like to go to the dentist because it takes almost 2 hours to go and come back. And since I have my next appointment in 21 days, I am gonna get my red and blue bands when I go next time. But hey, the bright side is that I got new bands and they are not silver, they're transparent. So let me just show you. These are my new bands. They are not very different from the bands that I had before, but it's a progress. So yeah, thanks for watching and hope to see you on my next video.